I just got on a flight and I am now traveling to Atlanta. So I'm going to find my seat, which was F12. I'm going to take a seat till the captain talks. So the captain is talking right now. We are now about to currently fly, so I'm just going to stay in my seat instead of checking the airplane because he's going to say sit down immediately. So I'm just going to wait until we fly. I am currently not going to explore the plane because we're like so high. We're like 33,000 feet high, and the plane is going to start shaking, and then it kills you. So I'm just going to stay in my seat and rather not die. So I'm just going to wait till the captain assigns what we're going to do. We have a timer to sit in our seats. Okay, now we gave the captain our cooperation. Now we're about to get served our sandwiches from the assistants. I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Let me click on my sandwich. I'm gonna eat it. This sandwich is pretty yummy and tasty. I'm not allergic to mayo. It's so yummy. Uh-oh, what happened to him? Is he not feeling well? Oh no, he's allergic to mayo. We have to find his medicine. I am now going to start looking for his medicine. I think if I turn around, I think I'll find his medicine. I think I'll look on the right side. Maybe I'll find it. Maybe I won't. And I really think I found it. And I found it. So I literally saved him from dying. Because if you don't find his medicine in time, he dies. So now I'm just going to listen to what the captain has to say. Okay, I'm so tired. Finally, it's the nighttime. I'm going to sit up in the front row because I never know what's going to happen until we hear what the captain has to say or the other passengers has to say. I'm just going to stand right here and listen. Oh no! We've lost energy! How are we going to survive? Oh no, I know it's not the ghost. the snakes. You will not survive. Ah! Are those snakes? Oh no, those are snakes. How are we going to escape? Those snakes are pretty tricky. They can eat you up and kill you. I have to find a way to escape. I just have to wait till the timer comes to see which door I have to go to. I bet if I look straight, it'll be on the right side. Yep, and I think I just saw green. Yes, and I've made it again. I have not got killed, not once by not even one snake. My life is very good. All green. Not even a little bit. The people, when the timer goes out by 2, that means the rest of the people died if they didn't make it in the bathroom. Now I'm the only one in this plane because I survived. Let's just wait till what the captain has to say. Well, what I have to say, because I'm the only one.